God, he was... Well, this doesn't feel like a sockeye, but the question is, can I keep it? That almost looks like a coho. What the heck? Can't be a coho, not this early. You see spots? That's a sock. Holy shit.
Looks like you're lucky. It's
Nice fish, huh?
beautiful.
Oh, come on out of there, buddy.
Nice fish.
Thank you. Hey, we're only gonna let you go, man, so chill out. There you go. And he took that wool pretty nice, didn't he?
Just rammed it, eh?
Jeez.
He right up the shore, boom!
God, I didn't have my camera on. He was so fast. A rocket ship to shore.
I know it came flying up there. What the hell is this?
What the hell are you thinking, Salmon? I want to die! Sheesh. Yeah, it was a nice sockeye.